So the residents want to drive a bicycle and not a car because cars are expensive, they are novel. They are going to take too much of effort to learn. Why not residents drive bicycle? But I am sure that all the residents want to drive cars and the latest cars and not the old cars. So I think if we want to eat the same breakfast or we want to read the same school book again and again or the same comic, then I think you've already ceased to live and only existing. Living things grow. Non-livings exist. You can choose. I think there are various steps that I want to just go through between novel versus repeat. I think it makes the teacher more creative and innovative. It doesn't need to be on the latest machine or the high-end machine. So many questions have not been answered even about simple things. So we can try to answer a novel question which has not been addressed so far. So it requires the teacher and mentor to devote the time to the candidate, and it helps us to develop a lifetime of dignified and loving relationship when we take up something new. That means we are putting in that effort. And this whole exercise, as a mentor for myself, it keeps me at the cutting edge of knowledge. And it often clears up my basic fundamentals because the resident comes up with so many questions and tries to find the answer and keeps me updated and improve my knowledge, which I never knew. Like, for example, I did not know there's a thing called posterior microphthalmos. I was labeling them as high hyperopia, and then some resident came and said, Madam, in the book there's something called posterior microphthalmos. So then we did a topic on that. So, they will read and they will tell you. So here it is said that why not take the easy path? Old topics are very easy. Why should I aspire to climb Mount Everest? I think the answer was given by the first climber he said that I want to climb because Everest is there and this is my place, Lolab Valley. So maybe I'm also somebody who wants to be there and want to climb all these big mountains and not go on the easy paths. So I think how long we Indians, and we will be second best, we'll be followers, we'll be a copy-paste nation. We all aim to be proud Indians, make in India, Mera Bharat Mahan, Sare Jahan se Acha Hindustan Hamara. So are these going to be mere slogans and empty noises, or are we really going to change path and make this happen? So are we only going to take from science and not give back to science? Here I am talking about, I had a patient where I inadvertently injected gentamicin into the eye, 20 milligrams stat. And at that time I was just saying, payment, what did you find? Payment, what did you find on that rabbit eye? Did you find that as soon as gentamicin goes on the retina, it burns the retina? Is there a time lag? And I just washed that eye and then I went and read Payment's article, and he's done the rabbit experiment every 10 seconds and he's shown that the first toxicity occurs at 5 minutes. And that told me like, yeah, now my research question is, if we wash within 5 minutes, will we salvage the eye? And here's the research answer, yes, I washed the eye within 2 minutes because I was doing vitrectomy, and that eye got 20/20 vision. So the questions are still unanswered, simple things. And we can also give back to science and not only take what Payment is giving us. And this is about value of thesis for publication. If we give a new topic, it's not necessary that, a simple topic like I did my thesis on CSCR. Now there were a lot of papers on CSCR at that time, but there was no paper on Amsler grid. So out of my thesis, that Amsler grid portion I could publish in Canadian Journal immediately after completing my PG, and still there's no paper on Amsler grid in CSCR. So when I talk about novel ideas, it's to answer the unanswered questions. It does not require a high-tech thing. It just requires some creative thinking and just that resident mind asking a question or the teacher asking a question. So I would like to conclude that as teachers in India, let us put in some effort, let us give up that lethargy, let us give up saying I don't have time or I don't have the equipment or machine. After all, Son Singh Hare discovered the central retinal artery and NAION and all in Patiala in a demonstrator of anatomy. Okay, and he challenged Duke Elder saying that no, you are wrong and I am right. So I think hum hai naye, andaz kyun ho purana.
Dr. Abhishek Dave and Dr. Shirish, are they here?